Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send disappearing photo on Telegram. Friends, if you want to send a photo which will automatically delete it after opening, then you need to open the chat window of the person with whom you want to share the disappearing photo. So after opening the chat, you need to press on this attachment icon. Now here you need to press on this camera icon. Now you need to click the photo. Now after clicking photo, you have seen a one appear in the right side of the message box. Now here we need to select this one in a circle. Now from here we can select the time, like after how many seconds we want the image to be deleted after opening. So here I will select 10 seconds. Now after selecting the time, press on the send button. Now our photo is sent on the chat, but it will not show the view of the photo before opening. So after opening, the person will able to see the image for the selected time. Like in this case, it will be shown for 10 seconds. So friends, like this, you can send disappearing photo on Telegram.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.